if I go out of the campus, there will be a huge competition for me. I was thinking how I am able to crack the job first thing. So I thought I have to learn a course, but I don't know from where it is. And finally, after doing some research, and I think the Internshala will be perfect for me.
Akash, a student of Internshala Full Stack Placement Guarantee course, has successfully secured an internship in full stack development. And today, he is working as full stack development intern at Ramesh Technology. He completed his BTech in computer science in 2023. And soon after, he got himself enrolled to Internshala Full Stack Development Placement Guarantee course. चलिए सुनते हैं आकाश से कि कैसे थ्रू इंटर्नशाला ही मैनेज टू गेट एन इंटर्नशिप. शायद हमें भी कोई काम की बात समझ में आ जाए. हेलो आकाश, थैंक यू फॉर एग्रीइंग टू हैव दिस इंटरव्यू विद अस.
थैंक यू सो मच.
इंटर्नशाला पर बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो इंटर्नशिप और जॉब ढूंढ रहे हैं, और आपके इस इंटरव्यू से हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि उन्हें कुछ कॉन्क्रीट टिप्स मिल सके, जैसे कि वो उन टिप्स को अप्लाई कर सके और वो भी अपना करियर की शुरुआत कर सके. तो हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए आकाश, आप अपना एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड बताइए और आप अभी क्या कर रहे हैं वो बताइए.
मेरा एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड है गीतम. आई हैव कंप्लीटेड बैचलर्स ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी फ्रॉम गीतम यूनिवर्सिटी एज ए कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियर, एंड नाउ आई गॉट प्लेस्ड इन Ramesh Technologies as a intern, as a full stack developer intern.
So, after completing your graduation, what made you choose Internshala Full Stack Placement Guarantee course?
I have when I have completed during my graduation period in my fourth year, I have done a training course from the Internshala that was programming with Python. Okay. So that was really interesting, and I have learned so many things. So I thought, why would be trying from other platforms also providing the same full stack development course? We prefer doing in the Internshala. It is more preferable, and their structure is very good. The way of learning structure is very good. So the response of the team members also really good. So I thought each and every platform is providing the full stack course, but I have more familiarity with the Internshala, so I think it could be a better option for me. And I asked my parents. They said, you really want to do it? Yes, I want to do it. So I don't want to waste my time. So they said, okay, fine, do it as you wish. So I started learning it, and in between I thought after JavaScript it's becoming slightly difficult. I was thinking, yeah, it is something I could not understand. So after practicing a little bit, I overcome that also. So it's all about progress every day, what you learn and what they teach us. That's more important rather than focusing on just about course. We have to learn. Everyone has to learn by own self, right? Without learning, we cannot gain anything. There may be infinite number of resources. You can't be good at it without learning by yourself. That's it.
So usually after BTech or after graduation, students go for job or they apply for further studies. So what made you do an online course? So did you apply for job after graduation, or did you get any campus placement through your college?
I have got a campus placement, but the company has less number of projects, so they revealed my offer letter, so they cancelled my offer letter. So I want to update myself every time. So, and if I go out of the campus, there will be a huge competition for me. So I have to select a domain, I have to be practice, and I have to be well good enough with the projects and what sector I want to get in. So I thought I have to learn a course, but I don't know from where it is. And finally, after doing some research, and I think the Internshala will be perfect for me.
Okay. So were you had any doubts ki should you take course or not, because this course comes with a placement guarantee? So yes, of course there would be that post completion of the course you must be hopeful you will get a job. So did you have any doubts that
should I take this course or not? Will I get a job or not? Would that course be worth or not? So how did you overcome all those doubts?
First of all, when I'm starting the course, basically, I was thinking how I'm able to crack the job. First because I don't have. I have a basic skill of C programming and Python and some skill. That's it. I don't have much skills regarding the technical issues. So I was thinking like even I can get a job or not, because I already came outside of my college. So it will be a huge competition outside. So I am from a tier 3 college also. That's also one issue. So I was thinking like, I think in my mind only one thing is running, that is upgrade myself. First thing, upgrade myself. And second thing is we must constantly apply the jobs. One we should not stop at any point of time. So first gain the skills what we required for the industry, like a full stack or irrespective of the course what they take. First they have to gain the strong skills and they have to do enough good projects in their domain what they choose. And then after they should have a networking, but I personally I need to improve my networking skills also. But we can do that if we start doing these kind of things. We may get internship very easily.
Okay, so share your experience of Internshala full stack development placement guarantee course. How was your experience? How was the learning from the course? Did you get the chance to do live projects? And how did those projects help you to develop skills?
Yeah, internship. First thing, the live classes are really good. The instructors are really good. So their explanation also really good. So those things, when you learn from a good instructor, we get to know what the things should be done in a what order. So we cannot start React.js from basic direct React.js. So we have to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then only we have to start the remaining things. So the instructors are very good to analyze. Like if you have any doubts also, they will be asking us to screen share and solve our problem. So it will be very easy. It's not at all issue for us. The only thing we have to do is regularly practicing, and if you have any doubts regarding the concept of the subject, we have to ask them. And yeah, that's it. Every day you must dedicate some time to that. That's it. And keep developing ourselves. That's it.
Okay, yeah, like self-practicing is really important. Yeah.
Really important.
Okay, so tell us about your interview experience. If you could tell a step-by-step process of it, from applying to interviewing for the company and then getting selected for the company.
Yeah. The first thing is we have to apply from the Internshala portal. Okay. Then we get a companies list which are been providing. So we have to apply them based on our rules. And then after we'll be assigned with an assignment. Before that only I have got message from the recruiter that we want a latest resume of you. So I have sent them. And he told me to do as assignment. So that is a React.js assignment, as well as we have to create a backend MongoDB schema for it. So these are all about technical stuff he told me, and to do this assignment to test your skills. That's it. So first thing, I have created that assignment as soon as possible. He told me to complete by today end. So I have completed by today end, and I have provided him with the GitHub link for it. And within 1 to 2 days, he have been checked all the code. Is he wrote correctly or not? And then the next day he called me and asked for a technical interview. So that day I was very busy. So I said, we'll be conducting tomorrow if you be okay with it. He said, yeah, sure. On that 28th, I think we had an interview, technical interview.
Okay.
In the technical interview, first he asked me about self-introduction. First thing is, every recruiter will be asking what is your self-introduction, and the second thing is what are the skills you have acquired through this program, and what are what are your knowledge. They will be testing your knowledge on the skills. And third thing is, they'll be asking how you made the assignment, because they do not see you how you made the assignment. So they want to test you have made that assignment by your own or not. So this is the important thing. So he will be testing you, asking, open your assignment, what you have done, explain this point and why you have used that one. So these kind of questions are everything will be asked, and at the end he will be analyzing you are good to the company or not. Then after explaining what type of project are you going to in, and what is your exact role, and what are your tasks to be done at the company. If he was satisfied with your answers in the beginning, he'll be telling all this at the end.
So after technical interview, were there more interviews with the same company?
Only one technical interview. They
only one technical interview. Okay. So how long this process took, like doing this course, applying to company, and finally getting an internship?
After completing the placement first Internshala course, it's like 6 months. In the March first week I have completed it. And then after I started applying. So I was getting replies. Sometimes I was unable to do the assignments also. They are a little bit tricky. So we just need to focus on how to complete the assignment. If we don't know about some assignment also, just we have to write it down and we have to check how can we solve this after some time, because at that time we cannot ask more time about that. So we have to learn the assignments and keep on upgrading ourselves. And at the one point, I have got opportunity to get a technical interview from the company. Before that also I have got 2 interviews. This is my 3rd interview. It was.
You tried it. Okay, great. So did you get interview tips, resume making tips from the course, from Internshala Full Stack Development Placement Guarantee course?
I have got all the what type of templates we have to use for applying for the companies, and resumes, what skills we have to be ensure when you are applying for the company, and what are the technical words, keywords, everything we have to make sure. And we have to make sure no spelling mistakes in the resume. We have to make sure all these kind of things, and then we have to apply. So Internshala have provided all the required things for us, like resumes.
So were these sessions important? Do you think it helped you to in clearing your interview and getting
there are some personal development courses also apart from internship. Those are really important for us. We should not have any shy between talking to an AI recruiter also. So we should talk in a fluently. We should have one-to-one conversation, right? So we should have a prior experience how we are talking to an recruiter. So that practice is required. For me also, first before at my college, I was very shy to give interviews. After some time giving interviews, I have become very familiar with it.
Tell us about your job role, the company name, your job title, and your job role. What do you do?
Ramis Technologies and Innovations. It's a Chennai-based company, startup company. So my role is a full stack intern, and I don't want to roll out the stipend offer.
No, it's okay.
And my basically I have enrolled into a project of an Android development, but I have to create the backend APIs for it. So that is my work presently.
Okay, great. And how are you feeling about it? What do your parents say about it now?
They were saying, good, we have to continue. You have to learning. It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning of your IT career. That's it. So we have to do a lot more things. So we have to do our work regularly to maintain this offer. So we can get a full-time offer also from the company. We have to perform our best.
Great. So Akash, if any fresher or any graduate come to you and ask for an advice, any career tips, so what advice would you give to him or her?
Basically, there are 3 advices I would like to give. The first thing is we have to gain strong skills and technical if you want to get into a background, because without any skills required you cannot get into a company. And second thing is we have to have at least good communication skills, at least enough to talk with the recruiters. That's it. I mean, not so very good English, like it should be communicative with recruiters. And the third thing is we have to express ourselves in the interviews or anywhere. If you want to express, if you are doing any hackathons also, if you went to hackathons, we have to express ourselves, what you have done in that hackathon and what. So these three things are very important: gaining the skills, and the second one is speaking with the recruiters with a proper English, and third one is maintaining a good conversation between them.
Oh, great. Yeah, great advice. So Akash, thank you so much for sharing your story with us. And I hope our viewers who are listening to this video will surely get motivated and will work hard to achieve their dreams. I wish you best of luck for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much for being invited here.
I hope आपको बहुत सारे टिप्स मिले होंगे on how you can start your career. तो लग जाओ काम पर। तो अगर आप अभी भी सोच रहे हो कि कोर्स में एनरोल करो या नहीं करो, तो ये वीडियो आप ही के लिए था। और हाँ, जैसे कि इंटर्नशाला वादा करती है प्लेसमेंट गारंटी का, तो उसे निभाती भी है। सबूत आपके सामने है। ऑल द बेस्ट।